Friday of our houseboat trip
There's a ham in our tub.
was for the ham.
Quote. It was because they said he's like, oh, I'm sorry, I think my friends threw something at you. And I was like,
Oh my god, can you poke it again? Like, flip it.
Ew, someone needs to pull it out.
Ew! Oh my gosh.
That's why it's so greasy.
Like not only that's why our tub is so greasy.
in our hot tub.
Yeah, I know. You didn't even get to enjoy your ham.
Alright, who's gonna take the ham out?
Cooked, by the way. We should have
Well, we don't need to make spaghetti tonight, Nat.
dinner duty off.
Come up here and I'll touch it. And I'll tell you I'm good. It looks like a dead body.
Somebody should pull it out. They're like,
Hold
It just feels like ham.
hold the ham! Hold the ham!
Turn it around. Give us the skin. Give us the skin.
Oh my god, it's steaming!
Throw it off the boat. Throw it off the boat. We're actually such a girl boat. Everyone's like,
look at the water, it's all heavy.
honestly, it's really I have no idea how to do this.
I'm so glad you guys told me there's a ham in our tub.
I'm really glad you touched it. We would have just thought it was a tree stump.
I know.
And we would have got in tonight, but